All right, we got this room tour. Booked this room for 12,000 Hyatt points. Got the bathroom on here. The floor is looking pretty sleek white. Come in and we have carpet, like it's kind of like a grayish carpet too, and a low bed with a nice cool frame. Curtains all around, couple windows around here, couch over there. Sleek little laminate thing right here. Got the refrigerator on there. Nice little desk. Little reading area out here, and this is our view. We're in the middle of the Gold Coast neighborhood and the buildings and all that. Got the views like that over here. Probably not the best views, but if I can find a way to come. Boom. See a pool. Yeah. Oh, there's Chicago right there. Right there out the window.